Hey guys, my name is Russell King and I live in Indiana, which is pretty far away from California. I have I'm married to my wonderful wife and we have three cats and a dog. And um, I'm in this class because I am trying to get my master's in kinesiology so I can become a physical therapist. Um, I'm wanting to. My hobbies are hiking, biking, martial arts, weightlifting. Um, I also enjoy playing video games. So um, yeah, that's about all I can think of right now. I look forward to going through this class with you guys and and learning a lot. So have a good day. Thanks. Bye.